Hello, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will inspect a 3S40A BMS with lithium-ion cells connected in charge and discharge mode with a thermoimaging. So as you see, I am using an industrial power supply to charge the lithium-ion cells, and the BMS it's producing like 30 degrees in Celsius. This is running like 10-15 minutes and it is not really overheating. So this is one of the applications what the BMS can help you to reduce the heat. And in discharge mode I'm using some LED band, and in the LED band you would see that it is consuming the energy, and that LED band with the thermoimaging looks like the following. And as you see, there is like 30 degrees. Similarly, the BMS is handling the heat really well, and the LED is producing around 34-35 degrees in Celsius. So if you would like to see similar videos in the future, do not hesitate to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.